To download our free Create and Print layout software, simply visit our website on www.ormsprintroom.co.za. Go to the Photobooks tab and click on Software. This will direct you to a page where you can fill in the details, and then you'll be able to choose a download for Windows or Mac. Once your software is downloaded and installed, click on the Orms icon to launch your software. Click on Create New Project. It is important to note that your download is not a full version of the software, and we recommend updating your software before you start. To do this, click on Check for Updates. Select Standard Photo Books. Select Landscape Photo Books. Select the A4 Personalized Hardcover. You will need to add your photos that you're going to use. You can add individual files or a folder. I'm selecting a folder of images. Now click on Next and name your project. After clicking on Create, your design space will launch. Your project will open with 28 pages. To insert your 43 pages, click on Page, Add Multiple. Select 40 pages and click on OK. A pop-up will warn you to check your cover since the spine width has changed with the additional pages. Click on OK. You now have 68 pages in your project. To design your personalized hardcover, select the cover layout you would like to use and drag and drop the layout onto the cover. You can now add your images by dragging and dropping. If you would like to add the text on your cover, add a text box. Double-click and add your text. Text editing and formatting options are available on the right-hand side. For your pages, click and drag page styles and drag and drop your images. To crop your images, simply double-click on them and adjust your preferred view. Once you've completed your photo book layout, you can preview your design by clicking on the green play button. When you're ready to place your order, click on the green shopping cart icon on the right. You will be prompted if there are any errors. Please ignore the pricing in this video as this shows the original fee. Click on Add to Cart and check out now. Accept the terms and conditions in order to proceed. You will need to select Order Online. You will need to have an internet connection at this point. Your browser will allow you to launch the sign-in screen. Enter your login details, or if you are a first-time user, create an account. You are now in the shopping cart. You can select matte or gloss for your cover finish and have a choice of white or black end papers. If you would like to upgrade to the art paper, you can select this now. This would be at an additional fee. Choose store collection or shipping. Shipping would be at an additional fee. You will now be able to make your secure online payment. Once payment is made, your order form would be completed. Do not shut down your browser, as you will need to still upload your file for printing. Click on Upload Order and simply wait for all your files to upload. You will receive 2 confirmation emails from us, one for the order and one once we receive the print file.